Yo guys, I got back this C8. I will start from door. I have all fully empty door. It's fresh paint and it's original door. I need just all electronics or this sealant put here and install good gaps, and only after I can glue this rock panel. That's it. Let's start do it. I assemble almost fully this right door, except door panel and the mirror. Guys, look at this, all gaps, this completely all parts in car, on car, you know, and I install all these parts only cause for make sure gaps, everything is look good. You can see here, like everything perfect. So this how look like panel here, right here, this just a little bit, you know. How I did, it's here, under, you see it's 2x4 and a little jack. Guys, after 12 hours this completely done. Look, here done, everything good here, even right here, and I'm so happy, you know. Yo guys, finally I got the rest of parts which I need to finish this Corvette. That's fender line, wire harness for a bumper right here, and the headlight as this. Let's go. Yo guys, and this Corvette almost, not almost, this completely done. And just look at this, it's all black. Yes, look at these rims. So if you wanna see more video like that, more how I fix more car like that, subscribe me, and see you in next video. Bye.